ازيكم. Deep learning machine learning model with multiple layers of neural networks. It's a mimic of the human brain. This human brain, many cells, hundred or milliards of cells make the intelligence man. When these connections are crowded and many connections, more genius. So they simulate these human neurons into neural network deep learning. So inspired by way the human brain process information, a network of artificial neurons is able to learn from data. So this picture is very important. Here, deep learning models require very large amount of training data and are very effective at tasks such as image recognition, natural language processing, and making more accurate predictions. Select the correct diagram. And machine learning include deep learning. This one. If you have any question, ask and I will reply you as soon as possible.